I've never done on my channel, but I'm like, I get it every month. Well, I just recently started getting it every month again, maybe like 3 months ago, but nevertheless, I'm gonna do an unboxing of Curl Box. If you hadn't already, please subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to like this video when it's over, and let's jump right into the video. Okay, so I pay $25 every month for curly hair product subscription. So you get random things sent to your house once a month, and it's some really good brands in there. I know before I got Mayel, I got Camille Rose. Sometimes you get some brands that are still trying to make their way in the natural hair community, so they really want you to try out their products. So I signed up again for Curl Box. I'll show you what's inside. Super exciting. So we have the Curls Unleash box. I haven't used any of their products, so I am really excited to try them out. So let's see what's inside of the box. So this is the little card. So it tells you about each product and how to use them. Super, super cute. And also in the products that are sent to your house every month, they're like 95% of the time full-size products. So can't go wrong with that. So first we have the Curls Unleash leave-in conditioner, and this is the cocoa and shea butter one. Super thick. They smell really good. Super thick. And this is 16 ounces. 16 ounces. So in store, these products cost about $8 a piece. So a whole set for $25, you're saving so much money. So I do recommend getting a subscription. And then we have the Curls Unleashed Coconut and Avocado Smoothie Styler. So this will be like my styling cream, 16 ounces as well. And they both are for kinky and curly hair. They're really thick, so I already know my hair is going to love it. My hair loves thick products. This is the Curls Unleashed Coconut and Shea Curl Quill HD Gel Souffle. 16 ounces as well. I am so terrified of using this gel because my hair just acts really funny if it's not one of my staple gels, but we're going to try the entire styling products on my hair, and yeah. We're just gonna have to see what happens together. And then last but not least, which I'm not going to use, is the Curls Unleashed Wax and Castor Oil Color Blast. So it's a temporary hair wax paint, and it's a gold color. It's called Bombshell. So I didn't open it. Still had the seal on it. And this is 6 ounces. So I don't know when I'm going to use this, if I'm ever going to use it. I don't know. But you'll see I did cut my hair. It's about 2 inches off. With the cut, I wasn't really too happy with it because like my color is basically gone. My curls are popping. Even in the front, it's still, you know, my front of my hair gets frizzy, but my curls are popping because she definitely used the Olaplex treatment, and my curls are popping. I need to buy some more of that. So yeah, so I'm going to try each of these products for my styling process. So catch me in the next clip after I wash off this deep conditioner. So I just finished this side of my hair. My thoughts so far, this is super moisturizing and it is nice and creamy. If you don't like heavy products in your hair and it takes long for it to like soak it up, I will highly recommend using the leave-in conditioner and a gel. Do not use the styling cream because this is a little thick, but my hair likes the product combo of like leave-in cream gel. Like I need that for my hair. I'm gonna finish the rest off camera and I catch you on my next clip. Okay guys, so I'm back. I just finished this side of my hair. As you can tell, my hair is nice and juicy. My twists look nice and popping. So quick thing, the gel is a little bit thick. I really do love that because my hair needs that type of moisture. But again, you can tell that my curls are nice and juicy. It's a good mixture right now because you can tell that it is going away with the white residue. So I'm gonna finish this other side off camera. I will be back in the next clip. Some thoughts: the cream is nice and smooth. It is a little bit thick, but it's a-okay for me. Nice little definition. curls are nice and juicy. So far I'm really liking this line. Again, I did get all the products for $25 in my curl box, but I will list down below the full price of all the products. You can get them at your local beauty supply store. So I'm going to finish off this side of my hair off camera, and I will come back with my final review before I take out the results. All right guys, so I am back and I just finished adding the cream and the gel. I really do like this combo together. My hair looks very moisturized. It is shiny. It is elongating. That's a lot of the claims on these products, that it's supposed to elongate your curls. My twists are a little bit longer, but we'll see when it like fully dries. You can find this in your local beauty supply stores. I'm going to link the prices of the products normally. I'm going to put on my wig, so this is going to be my little protective style until my hair fully dries. If I do record me taking it down, I will show you the end results, or you can catch me on Instagram at livelife_key and you'll see the final results there. But I really do love these products. My hair is super moisturized. It is good for, you know, you just want to twist up your hair and throw your wig on. That's what I'm gonna do right now. It's good for like braid outs, or you just want to keep your hair braided. Definitely recommend these products. Again, my hair is super moisturized. It was not clumping. It was a great product mix. I highly doubt that I will have any flakes just by off of that, but I really definitely do recommend these products. Hey guys, so I'm back. I know it's a weird setup. I'm inside of my car. I just wanted to show you my hair. This is day 3 hair of the twist out using the Curls Unleashed from ORS. My hair is super bomb. I really highly do recommend these products. The definition is still there. Little frizz ain't hurt anyone, but that is a-okay. Hair is big. I band my hair at night. If you want to know how I band my hair, you can go to my videos and you'll see my nightly routine. But yeah, this is my hair. It looks so good. It's like, I was shocked by that gel. You know, that gel was like giving me anxiety. But yeah, it looks so good. You know, this is my frizz prone area. I had to just add some more gel there because it was like a little bit frizzy, but it looks so good. It looks so good, guys. My favorite would definitely be the leave-in. Oh, I love everything. The leave-in, the cream, the gel. Like, there was a perfect combo. I have no flakes, which I was scared about. I had no flakes. I mean, the proof is in the pudding. My bangs, look how curly they are. Okay, yeah, so I'm about to close out this video. Thank you so much for watching my video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to catch up on my other videos if you haven't, and I will catch you guys on my next video. Bye guys.